So welcome back. So today I did this green cut crease look and I'm so impressed of how it turned out. I haven't done any cut crease in a very long time, so like while I was doing this I was like, oh my god, I don't know how to do it. So like it took me forever, but I know it's kind of like lopsided, but I still did it anyways. But yeah, I was inspired by my old makeup look that I did like years back, and I'll try to find a picture of that and post it somewhere up here. But that inspired me to do that green eyeshadow look, and I'm so in love with it. I am using the LA Girl Pro Artistry palette, and I've used this green right here, which is so freaking beautiful. That is what's on my lid, and what the glitter is just this loose glitter from MAC. This one, I don't know if they even have it as a individual, but this one's called 3D Gold. So it's like a green with so much specks of different colors in them, and it really did enhance the green eyeshadow that I have put on. And yeah, so I basically used just this palette itself, and then I did the liner, which is another kind of pigment, a loose pigment from MAC, this one here, and I just used Fix Plus to like just kind of like make the liner itself. I am so digging this look, you guys. And the lashes that I'm wearing are the same lashes that was in my previous video, which is the Hawaii Lash Bar. This one is in Lemon Drop. So I do have a coupon code for you guys if you guys are interested on saving 15% off, and if you use this code right here into the checkout, so it'll save you 15%. And don't forget to hit that like button for this video, and also to subscribe to my channel, and also to subscribe to my vlog channel. Also, me and Mark do, you know, different kinds of stuff on there, and hopefully after this quarantine we can do other more videos together. I'll see you guys in my next one.
I'm prepping my face first, and then I'm going to be using this foundation by Fenty Beauty, placing it on a mixing tray and applying it to my face by putting dots. And then I'm going to be using a beauty blender. This one is from Wet n Wild. I really like it. It's very versatile to the actual beauty blender. It really does feel nice on the skin. It does not feel super dense as the really generic ones feel, and they really do its job. Next, I'm going to be using some concealer. This is the Fenty Beauty Matchstick. It's a matte finish. This one is in Wheat, and I'm just applying it underneath my eyes, around my nose, and around my mouth. I'm using the same beauty blender by Wet n Wild, and I am just going to be packing the product down to my skin rather than like moving it around in place, because I really want to concentrate on the areas that I really want to cover. I'm applying the Laura Mercier translucent powder under my eyes, around my nose, and by my mouth area, just where the areas that I put concealer. I want my concealer to sit and not shift, so this is what kind of prevents it, and also for the creasing. To set my face, I'm using the Fenty Beauty Invisimatte blotting powder, and it's universal, so it goes on any skin tone, any skin type, and I'm just placing this all over my face. For bronzing my face, I'm using the MAC Patrick Starr bronzer in Give Me Life. I love this powder so much. It just kind of warms up my skin better than having it so chalky and so muddy, so I love using this bronzer. And I just applying it to the hollows of my cheeks, the temples of my forehead, and also on my chin. And for blush, I am using the MAC Mineralize blush in Warm Soul. I'm using for highlight is from Anastasia Beverly Hills from the Aurora Glow Kit, and I'm using the color Helia. So to fill in my brows, I'm using the LA Girl Brow Pomade in Soft Brown, and I'm only going to show you only one side that I do because I know you guys are probably like, Brandy, we know how you do your eyebrows, so can we just skip to the part already? So first we're going to prime our lids. I'm using the MAC Prep+Prime 24-hour extended eye base, and this is going to be placed all over the entire lid. Going in with the color Savvy, we're going to take that onto a crease brush like so, and you're going to deposit the color Savvy into your crease. Taking Champion, and you're also going to be using the same brush, you're going to deposit that orange color into the crease. Taking MAC's 224 brush, and we are going to just soften the top of the color Champion and blending it with Savvy. So now we're going to be using concealer. You can use anything in your collection that you have, but I'm just using my regular concealer. I'm using a flat brush to apply and just to like carve out my crease. So if you're Asian, you don't really have those almond shaped eyes or deep set eyes, so we're gonna have to improvise that we have a crease. So that's basically what you're going to be doing. So anywhere where your crease sits is where you're actually going to cut it, or just a little bit above your actual crease is. So you're just going to carve it just like so. So this kind of took me like a good, I don't know, 45 minutes because it was just kind of hard for me to like picture where my crease is, but I know it turned out to be lopsided, but it's okay, I still got it done. But yeah, so you're going to just align it, and then you're gonna fill in like so, and then you're going to be adding your eyeshadow, which is coming up next. Now we're gonna be using the color Brilliance. So this is like a dark brown color, and we're going to be using a pencil brush, and now we are going to kind of trace on top of the cut crease. So we're going to define to make it a lot more deeper. So you're just going to use a really light hand for this. You don't want to go too hard, and you only want to pick up a little product at a time. Use a clean fluff brush to just soften the top. Now we're going to be taking the green eyeshadow, which is called Hotshot, and we're going to be packing the color onto the lid. You don't want to swipe because you'll lose the intensity of the color, so we're just going to be packing it, and you can pack it as much as you want to get it at the fullest intensity color you want. So in my crease, I'm going to be using this pigment along with Fix Plus to make it as a liner. And this pigment is called Chartreuse. And I think that's how you pronounce it, because the whole time I'm just trying to pronounce it correctly, but I think that's how it's supposed to be pronounced. But yeah, I'm taking a eyeliner brush, and I'm just going to be placing it into my crease as a liner. I'm going to be using the NYX Glitter Primer. So this is going to be the primer for my glitter, and I'm just going to be applying it to my lids, patting motions. Now you want to apply the glitter, and this is the 3D glitter in gold, and you're going to pack do not swipe, you're going to pack it, and make sure you have like a napkin under for any fallouts. I'm using a brown eyeliner and I'm going to be coloring in under my eyes. I'm taking Brilliance and I'm just going to smudge that with a pencil under the eyeliner that we used. Then we're going to use a clean fluff brush and just smudge out and make sure that it's nice and blended. Taking Virtuoso and placing that into my tear duct area. Don't forget to curl your lashes, and then you're going to be applying your favorite mascara to the top and bottom lash. I'm using the lashes in Lemon Drop from Hawaii Lash Bar, and I do have a coupon code that saves you 15% off. So this completes the eye makeup tutorial. I hope you guys really enjoyed this video. Everything will be linked down for your guys' convenience on what products I use, just in case I did forget to mention any of them. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and also to subscribe to my channel and also to my vlog channel. And I'll see you guys in my next video. Thanks guys.